Oh, come on. Yeah. Not this time, buddy. No. Oh, yeah. Woo. That was a good hit to red. And it's taking line. I knew it. What's up, everybody? I am out again, heading out at the moment. Started out pretty late, about 10 o'clock. Yesterday I went out and was out at 5:30 in the morning in the dark, just doing my thing, but I didn't catch a fish until noon. So I was sitting there for like 6 hours just trying. That today I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna sleep in. Condition is gonna be pretty much the same, so we are here around the same time that I caught that fish. So starting late, probably gonna go a little later than usual. It's very hot, so hopefully we'll find some fish. Check it out. So I'm heading back to the same spot I was yesterday, where I had over 40 hits on my top water lure, but only 3 or 4 fish got hooked. All of the other ones kind of like hit it like in the wrong spot, or like pretty much like launched it up in the air and didn't really get hooked. But I put new hooks on. I got new treble hooks on. I got a new lure too that I want to try. It's a lure I tried before, but I haven't used it in a while. It's a Uzuri 3DB in bone color, I think. It's like that white one. I lost my lure the other time I was in Sanibel, and I couldn't find it anywhere, and went to Walmart to see if I could find it, and they were all out of it, and I was like, oh damn. But then I looked down on the shelf and it was sitting right there. Somebody dropped it and it was sitting upside down. I just saw the 3DB, yeah, sign on it, and I was like, well, this might be it. I turned it around, perfect, that's what I needed. So might be a good sign. Might throw that out today and hopefully we'll catch some big ones. Alright, try this little spot here before I go out. The wind changed today, so it might change everything. I need to be on like wind blown areas, and now all the spots that was yesterday, they are protected. So I'm not sure, I might have to change plans. I did check the wind and it looked like it was going to be the same, unless it's going to change in a little bit. Still a lot of seaweed and grass all around. Yep. I'll clean up. Get out of there. This is the lure I was using yesterday. That was not getting hooked. So I put new treble hooks. I think I might have gone a little crazy with it, because I thought I had the same size, but when I went to change it, it looked a lot bigger. So I got this giant treble hooks on that now. Not giant, but like bigger than what it came with. So I mean, if they don't get hooked on this, I'm not sure. Hopefully it will work. All right. Oh, I got tangled. Oh, come on. Get out of there. Okay. All right. Well, it's already a better day than yesterday. And this time I'm still struggling. Little tiny trout. All right, got one. Not too big. All about the same size. Another trout. At the bottom here. Alright. Perfect hook set. Right on the side of the mouth there. That's a guy. Another tiny one. Alright. It's a fish. Let's go. Alright. I am roughly in the same area I was yesterday. I'm gonna start fishing this area. Yeah, if I can not backlash on the first cast, it would be great. And I have a cut in my finger, which is not helping. Okay. Oh, bit of a blooper there. Oh, we're back at it. Most people are gonna think I'm a bit insane with this top water at this time of the day in bright sunny skies, but you see those stuff there already. And they were splashing. So only reason I'm doing it is because I know yesterday they were still hitting at this time. So I will continue to try until they convince me otherwise. Oh, come on. Yeah. Not this time, buddy. No. Oh, yeah. Woo. That was a good hit to red. And it's taking line. I knew it. He's like a submarine. I'm going at it. Come back here. Come back here. He's trying to get back into the mangroves. Come on. It's a good size one, I think. Yeah, it must have been the hooks then, because this time on the first hit I already hooked on him. Now I gotta land it. That's the best part. It is a good size one. Get in here. Get in here. Yep, we are on. Alrighty. Look Look at you, buddy. You're a good size. I like it. I'm gonna stay right here. I'll do this. Stay down. Only problem with travel hooks, man, is I'm always afraid I'm gonna hook myself with them. But I got double hooks on them now. That was a perfect hook set. If I can get it off, it'll be great. I might have to edit this part because it takes so long. Alright, one is out. Let me understand what happened here. I think he went through the hole. Yeah. Okay. There. And you're out. Beautiful. I'll deal with the net in a little bit. You're a heavy one, man. Oh, you bit me. Okay. Well. Look at this guy. Yeah. Yee. Nice redfish. That's a nice one. Let's see how big you are. Okay, let's get you measured. And we are 25 inches. Yeah. That's a beauty. Yeah, so I'm thinking the culprit of me missing so many fish yesterday were the hooks. I think, I mean, the jury's still out, but I'm not sure. It just, this time, like it, I mean, he hit it first one, hit, and then didn't get hooked. And then hit it again and did, but I still think if I had the old hooks I wouldn't be able to catch him. So hopefully that's what happened, and now we're good to go. I got new hooks, everything is up to par. I'm not gonna miss more fish today. Well, I got the trout and the redfish. Now I just need a snook, and I'll have my slam, and I can go home. Just kidding, but since it's late, I'm not gonna be here for too long. I still want to fish the beach tonight. I want to try a couple of different things there. Might have to go get some bait, but see, at the beach I don't use artificial. I mean, unless I'm like in the morning trying to find a snook, I will use a paddle tail. But you gotta use like dead bait on that. Shrimp or mullet. Ladyfish is really good too. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. It would have been nice to catch a ladyfish here that I can use at the beach later. But we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna start to head back. There's not, I mean, I didn't get any more hits on the top water. Completely different from yesterday. So I only got the one, which that's all I needed. So that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna head back and troll this. See if I can catch a trout on the way back, or maybe something else. Caught a pompano the other day, it was cool. So let's see what we catch. I got something here I think is a ladyfish, which is perfect. I've never really, yep, want to catch ladyfish, but today I'm going to the beach And he already pooped all over me. Yes, thanks. And oh, come on, I dropped it. I was gonna use it as bait. Oh, okay. Try to catch another one then. Let's go. They're usually around. There's a bunch of them in the same place, so hopefully there'll still be more there. Put an old lure because they are vicious. There. Man, that was my bait. Oh, it pooped over the camera, my pants. Ah, great. Awesome, guys, so that's it. Didn't catch anything else other than the lady fish at the end that I dropped it. So I'm now gonna have to go buy bait, but that's fine. And I'm gonna continue this video at the beach later this afternoon, so stay tuned. I'll see you soon. All right, guys, second part of the video is starting. I am at the beach. Pool's right there, and let's see what we catch. It's a bit windy and I don't know how that's gonna happen, but hopefully we'll catch something. Probably a shark, I don't know. I got shrimp on and let's see. All right, so we're out here. The Gulf is not very happy today. It's very windy and choppy. Good thing I brought my rigging from the East Coast, where I normally get like this type of weather. So I have a Sputnik sinker on, and it's staying in one place so far, but nothing's happening. So we'll stay here, having a beer and enjoying it. We're gonna have a sunset in a little bit and chilling. All right, it has rained like 4 times already. Everybody left. There's only a few people there that are still enduring. I'm still here. A little rain's not gonna like get me out of this beach, so, but I'm still getting skunked. There's nothing here, but let's see what happens. I'm still here. Let's go. All right. I got completely skunked at the beach and I'm heading out because there's lightning everywhere. I got rained like 3 times and no fish. Oh, you saw that, huh? Yeah. So I'm out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and that subscribe. And we'll keep doing this. Hopefully I won't get skunked again. But tight lines.